buffalo, chicken mac, and cheese. Today's dish is one you won't want to miss. It's absolutely delicious. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 2 cups cooked chicken, shredded or chopped. Rotisserie chicken works great. Half cup buffalo wing sauce. 1 lb. 450 macaroni or pasta of choice. 4 tablespoons butter. Quarter cup all-purpose flour. 3 cups milk. Whole milk preferred. Half cup heavy cream, optional for extra creaminess. 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. 1 cup shredded mozzarella. Half cup crumbled blue cheese or more mozzarella. Optional if you don't like blue cheese. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, optional. Half teaspoon paprika, optional. Half cup breadcrumbs. 1 tablespoon butter, melted, 2 tablespoons. Chopped green onions or parsley. Here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 45 minutes. 1. Cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook the pasta until just al dente. It will cook more in the oven. Drain and set aside. 2. Buffalo chicken. In a bowl, toss the cooked chicken with the buffalo sauce. Set aside. 3. Make the cheese sauce. In a large saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. Whisk in the flour and cook for 1-2 minutes to make a roux. Slowly whisk in milk and cream, stirring constantly until smooth and thickened, about 5 minutes. Stir in cheddar, mozzarella, and blue cheese, if using. Mix until melted and smooth. Season with garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper to taste. 4. Combine everything, stir the buffalo chicken and cooked pasta into the cheese sauce until well combined. Pour mixture into a greased 9x 13-inch baking dish. 5. Add the topping, optional. In a small bowl, mix breadcrumbs with melted butter. Sprinkle over the mac and cheese. 6. Bake at 375 Dufour F 190 Dufour for 20-25 minutes until bubbly and the top is golden brown. 7. Garnish with green onions or parsley if desired. Best enjoyed warm and fresh. A little trick that makes a big difference. Cooking the pasta. Be sure to cook the pasta just until it's al dente, as overcooked pasta will turn to mush in the oven. Each pasta has its own cooking time, so follow the instructions on the back of the box. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal